Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can get free discount on AliExpress anytime when you want. So if you want to buy something on AliExpress and you want to get a handsome discount, you can do it anytime. For that you have to explore a section of discount option. Just open your AliExpress app on your mobile phone and now go to your account option. Now in account option, here you can see the option called save now. Just click on this save now. When you click on save now, here you get all the products with handsome discounts. Here you can see at the top up to dash% off. Here you will get an option to how much it's off now. So all these products are in discount. You can see extra 25% discount, extra 25% discount. So this is the section of discount. So any product that you buy from this section will you get a discount of 25%, and this section is available at any time when you come to AliExpress app. You can see up to 60% off now. So this is the way how you can get a handsome discount, free discount on AliExpress on all the items that you buy.